Lovely people. This is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I'm coming to you with a little bit different type of video than my normal craft videos. I want to go over some basic information about affiliate marketing, especially in relation to YouTube. And while this video will slant more towards the crafting world, I think you'll find this information can be applied to any area of interest as well. When I first started watching crafting videos and creators would say things like, I have affiliate links in the description, I had no idea what they were talking about. Over time, I learned what affiliate programs are and how they can impact a channel's success. For the most part, YouTube creators in the crafting world are not paid for our content. The video ideas, recording, editing, and packaging are done to offer free and valuable content on our channels to our viewers. Some channels have membership areas where viewers have access to exclusive content, but for the most part, basic access to the channel is free. Occasionally in the beginning of a video, you might see a tag on the top left that says, this channel got money or free things to make this video or includes paid promotion. This means that the creator was paid directly from a company to promote a product or service, or a creator was given a product to test drive and promote on their channel. So, how do content creators actually make money? In the land of YouTube, creators can generate income in two main ways: affiliate marketing and monetization. I will discuss affiliate marketing in a bit, but a content creator can earn money directly from YouTube after they have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And this is why us creators always ask for our viewers to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. It helps our channel grow enough to be recognized by YouTube, and we can begin making money from the ads shown during our videos. So if you have a channel that you watch a lot and you really value its content, please go ahead and like and subscribe to it, because you are greatly helping a creator succeed when you do so. So what is affiliate marketing? The technical, boring definition of affiliate marketing is a revenue sharing marketing method in which an affiliate advertises a business's goods or services, and in turn, affiliates earn a percentage of the sales or customer traffic made due to their marketing efforts. But what does this actually mean more simply? Affiliate marketing is a way for people to recommend products and services and then receive a commission in return. And affiliates, and this is really important, receive commissions from a merchant at no charge to the customer. I've been making cards for over 5 years, and during that time, I've tested out many different products that help me with my crafting. There are products I love. There are products I like, and there are products I wish I had never purchased. So, when I film a card making video, there are certain products I use on a regular basis that I love, 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 and these are the products I want to recommend to my viewers. I might also use hard to find and unique products, and I want to share where a viewer can find these items. This is where affiliate marketing comes in. Content creators have relationships with companies that they love and want to recommend their products and services to their viewers. For example, I have an affiliate relationship with Simon Says Stamp. I love their embossing folders. I love their embossing powder. I love their scissors. I love the paper. I love all the things. And I recently made a video on how to put together a birthday box card. And I use craft products that can only be found at Simon Says Stamp. So, in the description of the video, I listed links there for the various products I'd used to make the card. I want my viewers to be able to find the supplies easily in case they want to use the same products that I did. So then what happens next? If a viewer clicks on one of my product links, it will link through to the item at the store that is listed next to the link. You might see that creators have relationships with many different brands and stores. For example, I have a paper trimmer that I love to use, and I have links to 3 different stores for it. And this gives my viewers the ability to shop for the product they want at the store they like the best. After the viewer links over to a store, a countdown clock starts behind the scenes. Each merchant has their own time limit on their links and how long they are valid for when giving credit to an affiliate. Sometimes, even affiliates with the same merchant will have different time limits. The time limits can range from a day to a week to a month to a year. If a viewer clicks on one of my links and then goes over to a merchant website and then makes a purchase within the time limit, I can receive a small commission in return. The commission value is usually a percentage of the total sale. In other industries, an affiliate may make a flat commission for referring a customer to a product or service. It's kind of like when you refer someone through word of mouth advertising about a service you used. Like if you got new siding on your home and the installer had a program where you could receive a $500 bonus for a new customer you referred to their company. It's the same kind of thing. In my case, the percentages earned are based on the sale total, and the commission rate varies from store to store. Some of my merchants offer a 3% commission rate, while others offer a 10% commission rate. So if one of my viewers makes a $30 purchase through my link and the merchant's commission rate is 3%, I will receive 90 cents from the sale. If a viewer makes a $30 purchase through a merchant that has a 10% rate, I will receive $3 from the sale. Over time, all of these small amounts can really add up, which greatly helps content creators like myself. We take these funds and funnel them right back into our craft, no pun intended, to bring you new and fresh content regularly. I know when I first started watching craft videos and kept hearing creators say things like, I'll put the links in the video description, or I have affiliate links below, I had no idea what that meant. I wanted to make this video to hopefully help you understand what affiliate links are, what they mean, and how important they are to a creator's channel, like myself. Purchasing products through affiliate links is a giant help in keeping a channel afloat, so don't be afraid to click through those links and support a channel you really value. So, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.